What's up, guys? YouTube Jared 33. This is from the Daily Mail online. This happened yesterday, October 12th. um, this neighbor, 62-year-old neighbor called he said a non-emergency number after he noticed the front door was open and lights were on around 2:25 of his neighbor, which was this girl who was fatally shot yesterday. And it said here that he just seen like a shadow or something. Okay, and so this is actually the actual footage. So, you know, let's check it out. Hold on, this is right. This is body cam footage. Stupid, bro. You see that? Show me your hands. Put your hands up. He didn't give anybody a chance to be like, identify themselves. Like he's bringing a little heavy, but still, bro. Like you should not be a police officer if you're gonna be, you know, so afraid for your life or whatever, or not give somebody a chance because you're like tripping or whatever. Whatever the case is, he waited. He did not hesitate to open fire on this shadow. Like it's really an aggravating case. You know what I'm saying? And not just that. Even the guy, which is not really his fault. The neighbor said, "I feel shaken," and like that was kind of my fault. He was trying to see if someone was actually breaking in to her house. And show me your hands, pa. You see what I'm saying? He did not wait and hesitate at all. Like that's not part of the training at all. You know what I mean? So he's on administrative leave, according to the papers and files, whatever. And you know the neighbor, 62-year-old neighbor, like I showed you over here, James Smith, non-emergency number, and he says that he was shaking and afraid. I'm shaking, I'm mad, I'm upset, and partly my fault. It's not your fault, actually. Well, maybe it is a little your fault, but still, that's what a normal person would do. This if one of my neighbors sees something suspicious at my house, I would want to call. I don't want them to kind of call, maybe authorities or something, but not if they're gonna be like, you know, setting up the place, setting up the place and riddles of bullets or being acting stupid like that. That's not what cops are supposed to do. Anyways,